In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Twitter account permanently. Before we get started, keep in mind that Twitter is now branded as X, but the process still happens on the same platform. Also, deactivating your account is a serious step. Once it's done and the grace period has passed, your profile, tweets, followers, and messages will be removed. So if there's anything you want to keep, like important conversations or media, it's a good idea to download your data or save those files first. To begin, open your web browser and go to the X homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. You should land on your home dashboard, where you normally see your timeline and the latest posts from people you follow. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled More. It's usually near the bottom of that menu. Click on More to expand a list of additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page where you can manage everything related to your account, from security and login options to privacy controls and data usage. This is where X keeps all the important account management features. Within the settings area, you should be in the Your Account section, or you may see it listed in the sidebar. Look for the option that says Deactivate Your Account. This is the section specifically designed for closing your account. Go ahead and click on Deactivate Your Account. You'll now see a confirmation page explaining what deactivation means. Read through this carefully. X will usually remind you that deactivation is the first step toward permanent deletion, and that after a certain period of inactivity following deactivation, your account and its data will be permanently removed. If you're sure you want to continue, proceed to the bottom of this page. Finally, click on the button labeled Deactivate. At this point, you may be asked to confirm your decision, sometimes by entering your password. Once you confirm, your account will be deactivated. After this step, avoid logging back into the account. Logging in during the grace period can reactivate it. If you simply leave it deactivated, X will permanently delete it after their stated time frame, and your Twitter account will be gone for good.